Nathan Dmitrovsky, Director of the Frederick National Laboratory for Cancer Research and President of Leidos Biomedical Research. And I'm here today with my colleague, Dr. Masanori Kawakami, who was a postdoctoral fellow in my laboratory. And he and I discovered a new cancer cell death program that we've called anaphase catastrophe. And that's triggered by a specific kinase inhibitor called cyclin-dependent kinase 2. And that inhibitor, remarkably, causes the death not of the daughter cells, but of the daughter cells, the progeny. And this pathway that we've called anaphase catastrophe is how Nori, Masanori, is known as Nori, how he's building his own independent laboratory as a new faculty member at the University of Tokyo. Nori, what was your experience like working at the Frederick National Lab?
Yes, so I learned actually a lot in your lab. So that I have two important things that I have learned from Ethan. One of them is the sincerity. Ethan is always sincere to the experimental results and science. And also his openness. I mean, he is very open to the people. Like the people means the collaborated scientists, colleagues, and lab members. And then his openness to the other scientists will make very good collaborated works. And then I know that a single person in the science, the knowledge and the skill is very limited. So by collaborating with others' expertise, then the research will be expanded. And by seeing the Ethan is open to the many people, I learned how to make a good collaboration. And so and also the lab atmosphere is very, very comfortable to do the experiments because he is very kind and open to the lab members. So these were a great experience for me.
Well, Nori, it's such a joy to see your success. First of all, thank you for your kind words.
Yes.
And Nori was incredibly productive in my laboratory. He published first authorships in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute, Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, and many other journals. And it is such a pleasure for me to see your success. And in fact, that's one of the joys of being a physician scientist, is that you can mentor others and have them become the next generation, because the cancer problem is a very difficult problem to tackle, and we need all hands on deck. Do you have any questions you want to ask me, Nori?
I'm now mentoring the two graduate students. So I was wondering what is the most important thing for you when you mentor the graduate students or the postdocs? In what point are you prioritizing in mentoring the people?
So as you know, Nori, from working with me, that as a scientist, we're in the truth-finding business. Mm-hmm. And we don't really have an opinion of what the truth is, other than we want to discover the truth. Mm-hmm. Second is put the interests of your students, your trainees, before your own interests. And if you follow the truth and mentor others with a good heart, you will develop a colleague who will be with you for the rest of your life. Mm-hmm. So you and I are collaborating now, even though you're a professor at the University of Tokyo. Perhaps your students will be part of our collaboration in the future. What a pleasure that would be. And thank you for being so productive. Thank you for joining me in this short video. And it's a pleasure to see how successful you've been and how successful you will be in the future.
Best
wishes.
Thank you so much.